In this problem, first of all, we need to find in part A final volume. So part A, this is an ideal gas. It means we can use this equation PV nRT, T2. So from this equation, volume, final volume equal to nR final temperature divided by final pressure. Here in this equation, everything is given. N is 2, R is constant, 831, temperature equal to initial temperature because this is isothermal process, which is 300 kelvins. Divided by final pressure, it was given in terms of atmospheric pressure. We need to convert it into Pascal, approximately 1.2 10 to the power of 5. So final answer will be, answer is 4155 10 to the power of minus 5 meter cube, or we can write in this way 4.15 approximately 10 to the power of minus 2 meter cube, or 0.0415 meter cube. This is the final volume. Now part B, we need to find work done on the gas, and we know that here compression, it means volume is decreasing, it means final work should be negative. At the end, we should not forget to put negative number, just in case, if we get somehow positive number. So this is a isothermal process. For isothermal process, we can use this equation, P1 V1 ln V final over V initial. This part we can replace with nRT1 basically. nRT1 ln V final over V initial. Here everything is given except V initial. V initial we can also find by using PV nRT equation. P1 V1 equal to nRT1. From here we can calculate V1, but I will do, I don't want to calculate V1, I want to calculate ratio, directly ratio. Let me write in this way, P2 V2 T2, here P1 V1 nRT1. We can divide these two equations. This part is totally same temperature, and it means P2 V2 over P1 V1 equal to 1. From here, V2 over V1 actually equal to P1 over P2. So we don't need to waste time. We don't need to calculate V1. It's totally up to you. You can do it, but we can replace it with P1 over P2. It's much more simple. So L1 P1 over P2. So 2 times 8.31 times temperature 300 ln final pressure equal to 1.2, initial pressure 0.4. So here, sorry, P1 equal to 0.4. There is a small mistake. 0.4 over 1.2. Ln, let's do quick calculation. 2 times 831 times 300 equal to 4,986 times ln 1 over 3. Ln 1 over 3, which is equal to negative, this part is negative number, 1.09 times 4,986, and finally we get negative 5,477 joules. As we said before, we expected negative value, and we already got negative value. Now, last part, we should find heat. Heat equal to work plus internal energy, change in internal energy. Change in internal energy equal to 0 because it's a thermal process. So it means heat equal to work. It means heat equal to negative 5,477 joules. It means heat was taken from the system. System is losing heat.